не будем записывать. Okay. So, good morning, everyone. Good evening, everyone, dear students. Today we're gonna, last lecture we talked much more about CSS. Right now, I just want to make sure that you understand all CSS style, and I want to begin our lesson with small quiz on CSS. If you don't mind, we can start right now. So basically, I just want to call out some of our students. Let's say Anwar, because like he's one of the smart students in our class, and I hope we can do with quiz with him right now. Anwar, are you with me?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay.
But I don't know the answers.
Okay. So basically, let's talk about like this question first. Which of the following statements is correct? Here we have 4 choices, and yeah, you can read loud. Okay, so Anwar, what do you think?
Honestly, I have no idea.
Okay, so I just quickly pick up some answers. Okay, it's fine if you don't know. You should revise all the stuff next. This week. What about second one? So basically, we have here questions separating HTML and CSS into their own files helps accomplish which of the following: web page load time, more specific CSS, better looking CSS style. I think the longest answer, no, or maybe yeah. So basically, when you separate HTML structure from CSS style, your code becomes easier to read and maintain. Okay, so let's go to next question. Right now, let's see, complete the code below the link in CSS file code, main CSS, okay, into HTML file. So what can be here, okay? Okay, let's.
I think in the last one would be text / CSS, I guess. I think so. I'm not sure.
No, there are like 4 choices, and here we have like 6 letters which we should complete it, okay? And we should click and or drag and drop to fill in the blank. So yeah, I think, okay, if you don't know, it's fine, you don't know. So let me just go from cheat sheet, okay. So basically, as you see, like here we have some href, okay, type xt, and right now in our quiz, we should complete all the stuff, okay. So right now we have like a relation should be style sheet, double quotation marks, not single. And here we have like writing CSS in separate file, okay. So basically, let's make sure that we got it. So yeah, href, okay, so it's basically should be like main CSS and type. I think there is a wrong answer. Why? Because I think it should be style sheet. I hope so. Yeah, good. So I'm the smartest guy. I know much more better than Anwar. Okay, so yeah, let's go to next question. So what is the correct syntax to select an element inside another element? It should be something like one of this one. Why? Because we can Google some questions about it. And I think there should be like leads separate a little bit.
Sorry, I have a question, and also sorry if you already mentioned about it. Like, у нас будет такое задание на тесте.
Yes, you will have these questions. Okay, so please speak English. Okay, and yeah, focus on your quiz, not on your like what you will expect on your examination. Why? Because you are here for getting a knowledge and skills and then grades. Okay, I don't care about your grades basically, and yeah, but I care about your knowledge. How do you like know your subject, and you can apply this knowledge for your skill. So let's move to the fifth question. Which of the following best describes the concept of CSS selector simplicity? Okay. What does mean like selectors? Okay. So let's try to like, if you don't know, like let's have something on your cheat sheet. Okay. So basically we have some like selectors. Okay. And what does mean specificity? Okay. So this like specificity is a ranking system that used when there are multiple conflicting property values to the point same element. And the more specific type in this ID selector, okay? And so what about this question? So here we have a code that attempts to style paragraph using style tag, but fails to do so. Why? Basically, we have here head attribute, we have style tag, we have paragraph written here with specific style, and yeah, so there are some like, let's say, fails to do so, and what happens? Okay, so basically this question more about styles, and it's fine if you don't know, but we'll think how we can optimize all the stuff. Okay. So yeah, basically, no. Yeah, basically something with style. Okay. Okay. So what is like purpose of HTML link when it comes to styling a page? Anwar, what do you think?
Sort maybe.
Okay, let's think. Nice. What is the correct syntax to style multiple unrelated selectors? What about like paragraphs here? Nice. The following HTML code attempts to use inline styling to change the color of paragraph text, but fails to do so. Why? So yeah.
Maybe the last one or the third.
Okay, very nice. Okay, so last questions. What is the main difference between inline styles and the style tag? Okay. So what does mean like inline styles? Okay. So style tag. So there is a silence a little bit. Okay. So I will just quickly split up my screen. Okay. Okay. What is the like more specific selectors here? So again, what does like style HTML tag allow below? Allow. Okay, so
Maybe the first.
just want to click last one. Okay. So yeah, this is basically what was our quiz today. It's fine if you didn't like do a good. So I will close.